Welcome to Tech Solution. Change Linksys default password to secure network. 1. Open a new tab in the browser. Begin the process to change Linksys router password by opening a new tab in the Internet browser which you are using at the moment. You ought to switch on your laptop and load a web browser on it. Ensure that it is not functioning on an outdated version. 2. Enter the Linksys router address. Insert the default web address of your Linksys router in the address bar. The default web address of a regular Linksys router is marouter.local, and for mesh routers, it is linksysmartwifi.com. 3. Access the Linksys Setup Wizard. The Linksys router login window will appear asking you to enter the login username and the password. Input the admin login credentials and hit the login button. Hold on for some time. Soon the Linksys router setup wizard will come into view. 4. Read the on-screen instructions.
Select the Settings menu and click the Configuration tab. Click the Wi-Fi button and then select the Wireless Security option. Under the passphrase field, enter the new Wi-Fi password for not just the 2.4 GHz band but also the 5 GHz band. Once done, select Save and let the changes get saved. With that, you will be able to change the password.
Thanks for watching.